Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back for another video for Trinity Stamps. Today I'm going to be doing a clean and simple meets scene card style of card. For this I'm going to be doing my ink blending on a concentrated area of the card and leaving the rest of the card white open space. I have been really enjoying making clean and simple cards or combining clean and simple and scene cards because I do really prefer scene cards when I'm creating, but there is something magical and super gorgeous about creating a scene card and a clean and simple card. So what I'm going to be doing here is some ink blending at the top portion of my card. I started out with Seedless preserves. These are distress oxide inks. They're water reactive, and I will be doing a little bit of water technique with them here in just a moment. Then I moved into chipped sapphire, which is a nice dark blue, and then I'm going in with black soot. You might not think to combine the blues and the purples like that with the black, but they blend really nicely when you layer them over top of each other, and I'm so happy with the way that this turned out. I love the blend. Now you can see here that I'm going to go ahead and grab some water. Basically, this is just clean water in a little spritzer bottle. This is called a distress sprayer. I spray that water directly into my hand, and then I flick the water onto my ink blended background, and this gives the oxidized look. This technique will work with any water reactive ink, although the amount that you get as far as the lifting of the color may vary depending on the ink formulation. Now once that dries, I did go ahead and set that aside so that I had plenty of time to dry. Once that dries though, I was ready to go ahead and work on the rest of my card. Now I'm going to be doing this cute little submarine from the Sharkbait stamp set that just released in June, and I could not love this little sub more. It's so super adorable and super fun to color. I decided that I wanted to go with more yellowish oranges here for my coloring. The previous card that I did, I used a super cute combination of pinks, and that was really fun, but I wanted to go with something that was a little bit more traditional. You know, we all live in the yellow submarine vibe. So I'm going to pop on some music while I do my coloring here, and I'll be back with you at the end to finish off the card. Alright, so the coloring is done and we've trimmed down our card panel, and now we're ready to go ahead and assemble the card. I decided that I wanted to have the submarine sort of off to the side and then put the sentiment right there in that open space, and this "hope to see you soon" sentiment worked perfectly in this little spot. I don't think the placement or the sizing could have been any perfect. It was like it was meant to be. I did use a little bit of liquid adhesive to attach that submarine to my card, and then I went ahead and mounted that on an A2 size card base, and that finished off the card, aside from one detail that I do like to add to all of my glass surfaces, and that is some clear Nuvo drops. This just gives it a nice glossy effect, and I really like how that turns out. That finishes off this quick and easy card today, you guys. I hope you love it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up, and hopefully we'll see you again again in another video really soon.